Okay guys, good morning. I am Hamid Hussain and you are welcome to my channel Hamid Hussain Tutorial. So guys, we have already discussed a lot of chapter in different subject for different classes. Okay, so today we'll discuss the example solution of example of the chapter is food. Where does it come from? Actually, this is chapter of class 6. Okay, so guys, so let's start. The first question is given below are the names of some animals: goat, human beings, cockroach, eagle. Okay, the question is which of the above animals form a pair of omnivorous? So guys, we already know what is herbivorous, omnivorous and carnivorous. Herbivorous are those who are vegetarian and carnivorous are those who only eat meat. Okay, and omnivorous are those living organisms who can eat any of the things, either it may be herb or either it may be meat. Okay, so goat is herbivorous, human beings are omnivorous, eagles are also eagles are carnivorous, and cockroach are omnivorous. So correct pair will be 2 and 3, that is option number B. Okay, so guys, don't be confused with eagle, because eagle is only carnivorous. Eagle cannot eat any herbs. Second question, honeybee makes honey from nectar. Okay, actually honeybee makes honey from nectar of flower. Okay, actually options are pollen, petals, nectar, bud. So honey bee makes honey from nectar. The third question, below are the name of the some animals: cow, sheep, horse, ox. Question is which of the above are the source of milk for human being? So for human being, cow and sheep and sheep. Okay, that are the source of milk for human being. That is the 1 and 2. That's the option number B. Given below is a list of edible plants: banana, pumpkin, lady's finger, brinjal. Which pair of plants has two or more edible parts? So banana has only one edible parts. Work on it. Which pair of plants has two or more edible plants? So why banana and pumpkin plants have two more edible plants? Because the flowers and fruits are eaten as a food. Okay, because many people eat the flower of banana and pumpkin, because generally no, we don't eat, but a lot of people eat banana, the flowers of banana and pumpkin. That is why they are. But brinjal and lady's fingers, only their fruit are edible parts. Next question is the part of banana plant not used as food: flower. Yes, I have already discussed in earlier. We eat flower. Fruit, yes. Stem, root. So all parts of banana, that is the fruit, leaf, flower and stem except roots, are edible, because in India a lot of people and a lot of types of eating style. Read each set of the terms and identify the odd set. The questions are cow, milk, butter, hen. Oh, sorry. The first set is cow, milk, butter. The second set is hen, meat, egg. Third is the goat, milk, meat, plant, vegetable, butter and meat. And we have to identify the odd one out. So the last one is the odd one, because plant, vegetable, butter, milk, they have no any relations. I will accept it. All other have some relations. The next question, very short answer type question. Read the clues and fill up the blanks given below each of them. Honeybee sucks this from flower, that is the nectar. Animals which eat other animals, they are carnivorous. Animals which eat only plants and plants products, that are the herbivorous. And the last question is animals which eat both plants and animals, so that are omnivorous. So guys, if you are enjoying the video and if still you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and please guys share it with your 5 friends. Okay, next question, why do boiled seeds fail to sprout? because the boiling spots fail to spread because the boiling denaturates, okay, or damage certain enzymes or proteins they are required for germination. That is why the boiling kills seeds. That is why when we have to farm or when we have to cultivate anything, we don't boil any seeds. Okay. Next question: where do bees store honey? So the bees store honey in their nest, which is known as the beehive. It is densely packed group, and that is called hexagonal, and that is very beautiful house. That structure is very perfect structure. Question number 10. Name two ingredients in our food that are not obtained from plant or animal. Mention one source of for each ingredient. So what they are asking in this question? You have to mention two types of ingredients that are not obtained from plant or animals. So the two ingredients are salt, water. Because salt are obtained from seawater or rocks, and water is obtained from river, tap, and lake or rain. Okay, lake or rain. Next question. Question number 11. Given below are the jumbled word which are name of parts of a plant. Rearrange them to get the correct word. Okay, so that is be LILCHI. So we can arrange chili. Second one ITRUF. So fruit. SEANBOA. Soybean. GURSA. So that can be arranged as a sugar. And the fifth one is the air. ROUNDGUNT. That is very good, easy. Groundnut. Next question. Short answer type question. Identify the animals in the given. Identify the animals in the grid given below and categorize them into herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. So the solution will be here. This is the grid, and this is the solution. That is owl, tar, ant, crow, okay, hen, rat, and the next one is the human, goat, and the hint is they are can be arranged in any way. Okay, they have given cow, goat, hen, wolf, lamb, frog, human, rat, okay, this is the wolf, and this is the cow, okay, and CAT, cat. And also question number 13. Why should we avoid wastage of food? Because that is very precious and that is a gift of nature. We should avoid wastage of food because there are many people among us who do not get sufficient food due to the lack of money. Enough food is not available for all. So if we have extra food, so we should give it to poor people, or if we have extra money, so we should not waste in buying. We should not waste our money in buying foods. We should give to poor. We should give money to poor people directly. Okay, that is why they can get foods, or if they want to go, if they want, they can send their children into the school. Okay. Question number 14. Why do organisms need food? Write two reasons. So the solution is food is needed by organisms for the following reasons. Food provides us energy to perform various functions of life, and food helps us to protect the body against various diseases and infections. Okay, the next one is the we have to match the column. Mustard plant, goat, hen, smoke meat. In the column 2, meat, fruit, vegetable, seed, direction of airflow, prevent dust particle. So mustard plants, so the seed of mustard plant are used. Goat, so goat milk is called chicken or mutton, that are used. Hen, so a wind wave or weathercock is an instrument for showing the direction of wind. It has a hen on the top. Okay, so direction of airflow. Smoke, so smoke and dust are the two major components of the particle matter that should be prevented. Okay, prevent dust particle. And wind, so wind has both direct and indirect effect on plant growth, fruit, and vegetables. The next question is we have to label this. Label the different parts of the plant given in the figure. So This is the labeled figure you can see on the screen. That is the stem, leaf, buds and flowers. Next is long answer type question. Read the names of the animals written in the inner ring of the figure. Within the second ring, write the types of food they eat and the category to which they belong. Based on their eating habits in the outermost ring, one example has been worked out for you. So the questions are eagle, goat, crocodile, elephant, lion, crow and lion. So goat eats grasses, leaves and small plants, and they are in the category of herbivorous. So we will do for eagle, crocodile, elephant and other one. Okay. So here is the solution. Okay. Lions are carnivorous and they eat rabbit and deer. Goats are herbivorous. They eat grass, leaves, small plants. Eagles are carnivorous. They eat rats and small birds. Crocodiles are also carnivorous. They eat fishes, small animal near riverbank and snakes. Elephants are herbivorous. They eat grass, green plant and fruits. Crow are omnivorous. They eat grains and insect. Okay guys, so this is completed. Now move to the next question. Question number 18. Connect the animals with the food it eats by an arrow using the different color in the figure given below. One is done for you. So buffalo eats grass, insect. Okay, options are buffalo, lions, lizard, rat, spider, grass, insect, snake, goat and grain. So guys, here the solution. Buffalo eats grass, lion eats goat, goat eats grass, lizard eats snake eats lizard, snake eats lizard, lizard eats a spider, spider eats insect. Okay, rat eats grain. Next question. Question number 19. Okay, this is the last question. List 2 of your favorite food items and mention their ingredients. The 2 favorite food items and their ingredients are obviously kheer and idli. Any other? You can also mention any other food. So the ingredient of kheer is rice, milk and sugar, and the ingredient for idli is rice, urad dal, salt and water. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you want to get more and more videos, please do comment for which chapter you want to solution. Okay, and guys, if you have liked the video, please like, share and subscribe, and please I'll again request you, please share my video with your 5 friends. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video with new topics and new solutions. Okay, take care yours. Thanks. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.